My beautiful people, my wow, like, you know, wow. I was nothing. I was nothing. And they took me and they turned me into a contender, a fighter, one of the strongest women I know. What else is there? What's the alternative, right? When you don't connect with the people that are literally put on this earth to help you, to grow, to be strong. If you don't communicate with those people, if you don't form a relationship with those entities, what's the alternative? What else are you basing all this life thing from? What are you doing? I'm the kind of person that when I find a good thing, I want to share it with the world. Ancestors are a good thing. When you don't treat them like discarded pets, when you treat them like royalty, of course, you cannot say you're equals, but I can say that. Yeah, you know what? Treat them like you're equals. At the same time, understand they're not. I have never yelled at my ancestors. They sometimes encourage it. They say it's good for releasing the anger or any pent up energy I have. And I'm like, I get that, but I don't think I can direct my anger towards you. You have never done anything for me that was not good for me in the long run. You've always done things for me that you know, worry. If we get rid of this, it will open up for this. And I'm like, I will not doubt your judgment. You know? And they said, my girl, we love you. We want you to succeed. So even if you need guidance with a small thing, let us know. Don't say, hey, this problem is too small for my aunts. There's nothing too small, nothing too big. Come to us. We are here for you. We don't get tired. We don't need to sleep. We are awake with you right there. You're not alone. Hey, sometimes that is a scary thought, but it makes me happy. I mean, I look crazy sometimes when I'm talking to myself. Of course. But they did something for me, guys. They do things for me, but this, wow, wow. And I was driving my niece yesterday. I was groggy. I was off. It was my niece and my aunt and my mom. Right, we're in the car, and we went to the shops because the kid wanted ice cream, and I was like, "Ish, I don't trust the ice cream in this shop here. Let's go to, you know, a bigger shop. Besides, I want to buy water." And she was like, "Okay, sure." So we went. And the kid did not understand, like, wait, she doesn't want me to get ice cream? Like, nah, I got you. We went and bought, so I was like, choose. She's like, I want this one. But if I get this one, do I have to leave this one? I'm like, take it all, hon. She's like, do you have a lot of money? And I'm like, no, but I have enough. I have enough for us, right? And she's like, oh, okay. I'm like, choose. What do you want? And she chooses, December 1, 2, 3. She comes with the dirtiest ice cream you've ever seen. And I'm like, hell no. What's that? She's like, it's ice cream. I'm like, no, let me see. When I went in the fridge, there was flies in there. And I was like, hell no. We do not know what kind of diseases are in there. You are not buying this. Leave it alone. And I'm like, don't worry, we'll replace it with something else. So I buy her yogurt instead. I think that's healthy. So yeah, when we reached the door, I paid for everything for her. So I basically bought her a lot of junk. I'm a sucker when it comes to kids. Like, kids can control me. So this kid is like, thank you for buying me all these things and buying it for my family. And I said, what? She's like, thank you. This kid is barely 6 years old. Says thank you. With so much decorum, so much. Wow. So I was like, no problem. But her thank you felt, wow. It felt great. So we're talking about it in the car. We're laughing. Yo, so well mannered. 1, 2, 3. We're celebrating her. And then she hears that we're celebrating her. Now she's like, thank you for safely driving me. That kid, though. But in that moment, I felt like it wasn't her talking. There was a spirit that was talking. And the fact that she was not afraid to connect with that spirit, I felt like we have come a long way. I love the fact that they have the freedom to be themselves, to be spiritually gifted and not shamed. My nieces are free to tell me their dreams. They go with me when I go hiking or anything like that. They support me. And they are free to be themselves. What more do I want? That's what I've been fighting for, right? Fuck. We're going to be okay. Doesn't look like it, but we're going to be okay. Things are getting slowly but surely. We're going to be okay. By the way, pray for iShow Speed. He's doing good things for black people. Pray for his protection. Love you guys. Truly.